Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the Samsung Galaxy A05 and of course it's the A05 and if you're having an issue where your screen is frozen, it's not that I'm into this, I'm just demonstrating that you're unable to do any inputs as the screen will not respond. It could be frozen on a particular screen or the home screen, doesn't really matter. This is what you do. Alright, so you're going to look at the side of the device here. You're going to find your volume down and your power button, and you're going to press and you're going to hold. Alright, so it's quite simple. So you're going to press both and you're going to keep holding. And you may not see anything on screen, you might just stay on the same screen. So simply just keep pressing buttons or keep pressing both buttons. And what should happen is that as soon as you see that Samsung logo, you can let go. Alright, so what you have done just now is to do basically do a force restart, and the system will automatically restart. Alright, so great for fixing issues where your device is frozen, you're unable to do anything, as the device will not receive any form of inputs or anything that you do to the system normally. Alright, so that's what we usually use to get out of that screen. And if you allow this, it will start back up and the system should become responsive again. Alright. Alright, so as you can see here, the system is back up and running, and that's how you do a forced restart if the device is frozen or unresponsive. Alright, I'll end the tutorial here. Do hope you enjoy this, and Ricardo Garden from Blog Tech Tips. Hey, again, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.